How to reset password on NanoBanana AI. Here's a step-by-step guide. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the official NanoBanana AI website. Once you are on the home page, look at the top right corner and click on the hamburger icon. After the menu opens, you will see several options. Now tap on Sign In option. On the Sign In page, you will notice several options. Just tap on Password Login. Here look towards the bottom right and you will find a Forgot Password button. Simply tap on it. Next, you will be asked to enter the email address linked to your account. Type in your email address in the provided box and hit the Send button. After that, NanoBanana AI will send a verification code to your email. Furthermore, paste the code and click on Verify and Sign In button. Finally, you will be able to create a new password, and there you go. This is how you can easily reset your password on NanoBanana AI.